How to improve your sense of humor making others laugh. You may be the life of the party if you have a good sense of humor. Maybe you want to be the most outgoing person in your group of friends, make an attractive girl in your class laugh, or impress a new coworker. Leveraging various types of comedy, practicing, and using your body language may help you become a funnier person, regardless of your motives. Before you know it, everyone will be howling with laughter. 1. Make up amusing stories. Telling a hilarious story is sometimes the funniest thing you can do. While jokes are entertaining, your audience will most likely find something that occurred to you to be more amusing. Consider a few amusing events that have occurred in your life and relate those stories when the occasion arises. For example, let's say your social group starts talking about coffee shops. You may remark anything along the lines of, "Oh no. Never, ever again. The barista splashed hot coffee all over my jeans the last time I went to a coffee shop. And, yeah, it got into my underwear." 2. Keep your tales to a bare minimum. Get to the point while presenting a joke or a hilarious anecdote. People's attention spans are short in general, but they are much shorter when it comes to humor. Keep your narrative short, punchy, and amusing. 3. Make the conclusion amusing. Put the surprise at the conclusion of a witty anecdote or joke to surprise your friends or coworkers. This will keep them on the edge of their seats and prevent them from laughing until you complete your statement. "And do you know what was in my car when I opened the door, Rebecca?" you could ask. "It's a cat." And, "Rebecca, a cat was in my car when I opened the door," will be less amusing. Make use of hyperbole. It's fine to exaggerate for humorous effect while recounting a funny anecdote. Make sure you exaggerate to the point where your audience realizes you're not speaking the truth. They'll still laugh. "Yeah, those steaks at that new place are massive," you could add. "They're a lot bigger than my first place." 5. Replace uninteresting words with amusing ones. Use the fact that certain words are just funnier than others to your advantage. When compared to words that are more monotonous, these words frequently allow for additional emphasis. The phrase, "Pop-Tart," is an example of this, as it sounds more amusing than just stating, "breakfast." Other instances include the use of the term, "underpants," rather than, "underwear." Make a joke about yourself. The funniest thing you can do at times is make fun of oneself. Consider this. You undoubtedly do some humorous things on a regular basis that no one else is aware of. Share your experiences and laughter with others. Perhaps you're a tidy freak, but this morning you left a dish in the sink. "I'm really stressed out right now." You could tell a coworker. "I'm such a neat freak that I forgot to wash a plate this morning." Is this the first step toward hoarding? 7. Prepare at least one amusing joke or tale. Find a hilarious tale, anecdote, or joke that can be used in any scenario and with any group. When the time is appropriate or you want to lighten the mood, use it. Avoid making up stories or claiming to be the author of anything you saw on TV. You'll almost certainly get caught, and you'll appear to be trying too hard. Use an amusing tale about your friends, family, or yourself, for example. 8. In the mirror, practice telling jokes. It is said that practice makes perfect. Practice your jokes on yourself while you're honing your sense of comedy. Examine yourself in the mirror to see how you deliver it and which bits you find amusing. Remember to keep the punchline towards the end and maintain a light-hearted and optimistic facial expression.